but stay on time. Breathing deep, now let it go. Next round coming, nice and slow, slow flow. Feel the glow.
Move your body, don't stop now.
Island rhythm, show you how.
Wind it up and roll it round.
Feel that bass, that island sound.
Move your body, don't stop now.
Island rhythm, show you how.
Wind it up and roll it round.
Feel that bass, that island sound. Now. Hands up high.
Touch the sky.
Feel that fire.
Burning high.
Drop it low.
Then rise again.
Island workout.
Feel no pain.
Wind it slow, now speed it up. Circle hips, don't interrupt. Turn around, let your head down. Queen energy on your crown.
Yeah, that's a now.
Jump one time and double bounce. Feel that rhythm all around. Clap your hands and move your waist. Island vibe you can't replace. Feel the ocean in your soul.
Let the rhythm take control.
We rise,
We shine.
one beat,
One time.
move free.
No fear.
Island vibe.
Friday. Let's go. Let's go. Right. Wind it slow.
Up, down,
Till you drop it low.
move your body.
Feel the flow.
Island rhythm, take control. Hands up high.
Touch the sky.
Let the music
Lift you high.
wind it up.
And bring it low.
Reggae beat, just lose control. Shake, shake, now drop. Shake, shake, now drop. Don't stop. The flow we rise. Slow it down.
Breathing deep.
Feel that calm.
Your body keep